Hi everyone, hope you're all well. One of the questions I actually get asked a lot, because I'm on my third one of these cars now, turning a Boxster into a hardtop effectively, is what's the engine access like once the car's done? Which is a very good question. Now I've just had the white one, I've had a major service on it. So the guys had to get in there and get to the top plate and the plate behind the seats. And my answer is this really, it's not too bad, right? So when the car is finished, the rear screen will be bonded in. These windows bolt in, right? So if you wanted to, and you were doing some major work to the car, you could take the windows out and you can get to it. But certainly my guys, my mechanics, who are brilliant, they could do all the major service work, change everything just from the inside of the car, right? Now, if you really wanted to be extreme, I guess you could take the seats out as well, but you have plenty of room. You obviously have to take off the carpet and then undo that, but it really isn't too bad. It really isn't, you know. If you've got like the Bose system, you have to unplug that and pull that out, etc, etc. What you do get with the kit is a parcel shelf, what has to be also taken out. Now, I did my parcel shelf on the white car a different way. So the standard parcel shelf will be 2 bits of fiberglass with a slope that will slope down to about here. And they're just basically 2 pieces. It has to be in 2 pieces, otherwise you can't get the 1 piece through there. And it sits basically on the back and it effectively covers that gap, right? I did mine slightly differently. What I done on the white car, I did that on the grey car, but on the white car what I did is I put metal supports from the back of the kit here where the windscreen mounts to the body, and then I built a wooden parcel shelf that basically came to about here, right? It didn't come any further, and covered it all in felt, bolted it all to the metal supports that go across there, and that's permanently in there. It's bolted. I could take it out if I really wanted to, but that provided me with a much better sound sort of sealing property than the standard kit fiberglass ones. And the beauty of that is if I ever need to access the engine like they did the other day, I don't even have to take the parcel shelf off, because the parcel shelf ends about here. And then in order just to plug this sort of gap here, I had long pieces of wood, again covered in felt, in carpet, that was screwed basically. If you think about it, I had a parcel shelf come out here, then I had a block of wood, right, like that, a block of wood like that, and then I screwed the other bits of wood to that, and it's permanently in, you know, but it doesn't protrude that far that you can't get to this bit. So it's fantastic. So when you do one of these cars, you know, like I said, the engine access is fine really. Depends how extreme you want to go. You can take the windows out if you want. I've never had to do that. You can take the seats out as one if you want. I've never had to do that either. I mean, I think if you're doing some major work on the engine, you'd have to drop the engine out of the car anyway. And in fact, my mechanic said that it's actually easier than the standard Boxster, because when the Boxster is in convertible format, you've got the convertible roof sort of here, and I know you can sort of pull it up, but really the roof is completely out of the way now. And although it's a bit like having to lean forward a bit, you've got the roll bar to sort of hold on to, etc, etc. But yeah, my guys changed the filters, all the plugs, some belts, the lot that you get with a major service, and it's all okay. So hope that answers people's questions. Bye.